Good morning, everyone. My name is David Vidal, as Benoit said, and I am audio developer at Tecnativa. Thanks everyone who's joining this talk despite Fabian's attending. He's asked me anything in the other track. Thankfully, it's been recorded, so the rest of you will be enjoying it later on YouTube, and this comment makes no sense at all. Today, I'm going to showcase some of our latest developments extending auto promotions, which are available at the OCA in the new sale promotion repository, either in the 13 branch or in open pull requests that are yet to be merged to the same branch. As a note aside, Camp to Camp has also good bunch of very interesting promotion modules as well. And you can find them in the sale workflow repository because sale promotion didn't exist. It's very recent. It's a very recent created repository. But they're not going to be covered in this talk because, well, I don't know them. And well, we're going to make a tour of with our last developments. If you don't know all the promotions, what they are, how they work, you can take a quick tour on these odoo.com tutorials, which are great as an introduction. You also have this Odoo promotions webinar with it goes a little bit more in depth with the theme. However, I'll try to hint some context in order to follow the modus presentations. Okay, let's go into it. Odoo promotions is a set of modules that Odoo introduced in the enterprise realm in version 11 and released into a community edition in version 13. We'll be discussing this version 13, although in the current version 15, some other modules like the point of sale compatibility and other things have been added to the family, which is composed mainly by these 4 modules, which are sale coupon, which is the one that holds the main data, the structures, the core methods, and so on. Sale coupon delivery, it allows, well, said here in the description, allows to redeem coupons or promotions to enjoy free shippings and so. Website sale coupon it allows to redeem codes in the e-commerce, and is one that is a glue module between these other 2. To configure promotions, you can go to either sales or website if you have the commerce ready, and then to products, and you can choose either promotion programs or coupon programs. They are different sides of the same coin. They are the same model, but they are the way the promotion is redeemed. It varies. This is made by coupons that you deliver to your customers or to your salesman. And this is promotion, the bear promotion that you can directly validate in the seller. Okay. To configure the promotion at the beginning, this screen can be a little bit overwhelming, but can be better understood if we take this simple schema. Okay, so promotion is just made of some rules that can be simple or really complex, and those rules, one another is evaluated against those rules, you get some rewards. And 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 if you don't get anything, the promotion is not applied. Okay, this is the simple scheme. So we'll be working with promotion programs, but everything is going to apply. I think the same for coupon programs almost. Okay, let's see what we got here. These are the modules. We have got a couple or so more, but we'll be covering these ones, which are, I think, the most interesting. I made this classification. They're uh, just the classification I came up with. Um, there are rule modules, if you remember the scheme. Those modules who act in this part of the promotion. Reward modules. Oh, what? uh, which are over this part of promotion, and um, user interface, user experience modules. Okay, which is the use of promotions for users. There is also this technical module, which is necessary for these ones to work. So let's go first with the reward modules. I'm going to take this one sale coupon multiplier for a product. And what problem does it solve? Well, imagine you've got this typical promotion, which is I get two and get one for free. Okay. In Odoo standard, okay, here, look, remember the scheme. We've got rules and rewards. So in this part, in this upper part of the form of the promotion form, we've got the rules, and in this bottom part, we've got the rewards. Okay. So in order to configure it, you define um, your um, your filter on the products. You can define also filter on customers and so on. We're going to keep it simple. You define which product are you going to be checking that is already in the other lines, and which product are you going to reward. So there's a problem with this on how Odoo manages this. So I'm going to create a quick quotation, and whatever, I'm going to copy it so I can, and I will add, and you will expect, okay, I've got here my 2 units. Where's my reward? Okay, I'm going to validate the code in order to apply the promotion, and well, say something went wrong. You don't have to quite product quantities, but I have to. Oh no, you need to have 3 units in order to get a promotion of the kind, buy 2 get 1 free. And this is not very intuitive. Okay, if I change my quantity, indeed, I redeem my promotion codes, and here they are. Okay, what Odoo does is to whenever you create a promotion, it automatically creates a new product attached to that promotion, which is a service. Okay, and well, that can be quite inconvenient because you're not going to be able to compute your margins. You have your prices separate from the mainline. I don't know. It's and the worst of it is not very intuitive because you have to add the unit to yourself. So that's why we created this other promotion, this coupon, this how is it called? There is very large sale coupon multiplier free product module in order to solve this kind of stuff. So just for 2 version 2. I'm going to check the same domain. References. Now it was some. That's one. And here you can see normally there are 2 or 3. I don't have the delivery discounts installed options here. This is the ones that we are in with those modules that I showed in the scheme. And we've got to check multiply of. Well, and here we'll select our free product, and well, I can choose one or whatever quantity I want. And wait, and I'll go. Sorry. Oh no, there was. I thought there was something asking something. I'm going to use the code test 3/2 2. And if I create a new coupon, I can choose this customer, and my units have to be 2. Save. And when I redeem my code, did I change it correctly? Let's see. It's not doing the right. Oh, sorry. I did wrong. This prod. I did prod wrong. 2. And here we are. Okay. What's the difference? We didn't need to add the product manually. We get the reward automatically when we just apply the coupon. And the line is linked to the same product that we are validating. So the margins, as we've got a line with a 100% discount, and the margins are going to be computed right for that product. And that, I think, is a good advantage. Okay, let's move on. Sell coupon multi-gift is similar to this one, but instead of test multi-gift, instead, what solves if you can reward one product at a time, but what happens if you want to reward several products at the same time? Well, you can do it with this module. Okay, so you can choose quantity as well, and some gift options like this one, and I'm going to add another line with this other product. Okay, I'm going to put the code. Where is the code here? And test multi-reward. Okay, it's to understand. Okay, instead of getting a single product, you can get as many lines as you want. We'll see this later because I'm going to configure that. So here, an optional product. Okay. No, I don't want to configure this. No, I want it to be different. Large task. Okay. Okay. We're going to see this right now. I want to move into the rule modules, which are these ones. Select upon limit, select upon criterion multi-product, select upon incompatibility. I'm going to leave this ones for the last moment. Select upon criteria multi-product. Um, what does it solve? Well, normally you can choose products using a product domain, but there are some cases that are possible or are really hard to configure. So what this module does is to add this option to change from domain to multi-product, and it links a related table on which I can configure some rules that has to be fulfilled in order to get the reward. So every line has to be fulfilled, so I can choose that large cabinet has to be 2 times at least that um, any of these products has to be at least 3 times. Okay, I can have 3 of one or this other, or 2 of this and 1 of this. This cannot be accomplished with a domain. So this is what this model solves. Um, and to show you how this works, I am going to introduce you as well this other module, which is the this UX modules which are sale coupon order suggestion and sale coupon selection wizard. We're going to make a new order, say quotation, and I'm going to pick this large cabinet, and notice that this icon is now highlighted. Well, this is shown by the model sale order coupons suggestion sale sale coupon order suggested. Okay, which when I click it, opens this wizard. Okay, this is provided by Sale Coupon Selection Wizard, and here it is. It's suggesting me that I apply this promotion that we just made, and when I select it, oh, look at it. Here it is. My promotion enrolled with its rules and its rewards. So I know that I'm going to get a large cabinet, and oh, look at it. I can choose between this reward. Okay, this is what we did here. When I configure gift options, I can allow to the I can allow the user to switch between rewards in this wizard, and I can configure how much units I have to I want to add to my a current order in order to enjoy this promotion, because I have I only have this unit, but I need one more that's going to be added automatically. But as these ones are optionals, I can configure them, and when I do so, I can just add this one or this one. Okay, so once I once I am happy with the promotion configuration, I just apply it, and it's going to check if it's possible to apply it. And here it is. Here are my rewards, and here are the products I needed to fulfill this promotion. And well, it's cool, isn't it? You can add it here as well. Well, I don't have any promotion that can be applied to this quotation anymore. Uh, and one limitation of this module, this sale order suggestion and sale coupon selection wizard, they work all together. This one is a dependency of this one. Okay, this one can work uh, um, in a single mode, but it depends for now on sale coupon multiplier free product. No, not this one. Sorry, sale coupon multi gift and sale coupon criteria multi product. Okay, these are um, the only promotions that have these rules and have this reward type. These are the only promotions that can be used with the promotion wizard. In the future, who knows? It could be it could be made compatible with more promotion types, the core ones, or okay, it's not that easy. So we'll see if it can be improved. Okay. Um, for the end, just this other module, sell coupon limit and sell coupon incompatibility. Um, these ones are some other rules to the promotions. Sale coupon limit allows you to add a max customer application limit. You can, in the core, you can choose to apply or to limit on how many orders you can apply promotions, but you can't choose how many times a single customer can use a promotion. Maybe you want to limit it to you can put a limit of a single code use. You put, for example, this code, you send the mailing with the code, but you only want that every customer use it just once. And you can put also salesman limits. It goes with that model also, because maybe you deliver some codes to your salesman and you don't want that they use it more times that established here. Okay, and you can also control how many times every salesman is using those promotions, so you can make your count and so. Okay, and sale coupon rules incompatibility. Okay, uh, what can we choose here? We can choose whether a promotion is incompatible with another one. Okay, because you can apply to your other you can apply uh, uh, some several promotions to a single quotation or sales order. So maybe you don't want that two promotions are used all together. Sometimes when if there are promotions redeemed by code, you can only apply one. But if there are coupons or they are um, uh, global promotions, you can apply them all together. So to just say, well, I don't want this promotion to be compatible with this one, and when you try to validate it, it will be it it will be avoided to apply it. Okay. Um, Okay, yeah. Last but not least, the sale coupon auto refresh, which is a model that we co-authored with Camp to Camp, as we came up in version 12 with the same issue, or customers did, and we developed almost the same solution. And when we released it, we realized that it was the same. So, what does it do when you have a promotion here, promotion with no code, because you can use a promotion. You can choose to be automatically applied, and this means that, well, when a customer is in your commerce, it's going to be checked every time. But if you are in the backend, if you're a salesman in the backend, you have to click this button every time to check if a promotion is applicable or not. And that's quite inconvenient because it can lead to errors. So just saves it just avoids that you have to click this button to check it. Every time the sales order changes, it just internally recomputes if the promotions can be applied or not. Okay, and that would be it. I think. Well, this is. I'm going to leave you with this image because I think it's very nice. We are very proud of it. Okay, that's it. If you've got some questions, I'll be very happy to answer them.
Thank you, David, for the talk. I haven't seen any question on the chat. On about the Discord, Emric from Camp to Camp asked you some question about the to be to make I mean to keep in touch about the developments of the modules that Camp to Camp made. So we would be maybe getting in touch with him. Anyone has a question?
They're all with Fabian.
Okay. So yeah, thank you very much for your talk.
Yeah,
very interesting.
Thank
very
you.
Interesting modules.
Thank you very much. So I guess it's over. Okay, I go. I'll stop sharing, and I go into the dark again.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Thank you.